Hey everyone, stop wasting money. I just found a completely free AI video generator with no limits. This tool can make full videos with animation, sound, and super smooth lip sync. And the best part? Grok AI is performing even better than VEO or Kling. Stay until the end of this video because I'll show you step by step how to use it, especially to make videos with audio. Okay, let's start. You'll see it talks just like a real person.
Let's share it together, my good friend.
Hello everyone, my name is Lisa.
To start, just go to Google, search Grok AI, and sign in with your email. I already have an account, and here's what the dashboard looks like once you're logged in. To make an AI video, go to the sidebar and click the image icon. That's the Imagine section. What I love most is you can even use it on your phone. If you're using a phone, you can just download Grok AI from the Google Play Store. Look at these demos, super impressive. Grok AI has absolutely no limit. To test it out, you just enter a few prompts here. I already have some sample prompts ready to show you how it works. Now, a pro tip for prompting here. I've noticed Grok AI works best with simple, direct descriptions. You don't need all those complex tags like masterpiece 8K, hyper-realistic, that you use in other tools. Just be clear. Let's try this. The prompt is a majestic bald eagle landing on the arm of a park ranger in a forest. Sounds tricky since it involves a complex human and animal interaction. Enter the prompt and hit generate. It creates the image really fast. See the results already here. Another cool thing about Grok AI is unlimited generation. Actually, it's kind of a hidden gem that very few people know about. You can keep scrolling and it keeps making new images for you. Don't just settle for the first result. Always scroll down to see the variations and find a composition you love. Of course, some might look a bit off, but many of them are amazing. Just pick the one you like best. For instance, this one, the composition and lighting are perfect. I'll choose this one. Once you've chosen an image, you'll enter the Grow editor. Here you can turn that image into a video with a single click. Select Make a Video. Wait a few seconds. Ta-da, the video's ready. Super easy, right? Once you're happy with it, you can share or download it. Just click download and you're done. Now let's try another video with a different style. This time I'll use an animation prompt. A charming animated fox wearing a tiny backpack walking through a whimsical glowing mushroom forest. Studio Ghibli style, soft cinematic lighting. Click generate and wow, the image looks amazing. The more you scroll, the more styles you'll see. I'll pick this one because it looks so appealing. Then hit create video. And here it is. The video's done looking just as good as VEO. I have to say, I've tested tons of tools and Grow AI still impresses me the most. Unlike other so-called free tools, Grok AI doesn't limit your video creations. I used it just to make images before, and the results were already great. Now it can generate videos too. That's just incredible. What really surprised me is the speech feature. You can make your character say anything you want. Just click speech, type the dialogue, and hit generate.
Panda.
And look, the lip sync is perfect.
Hi, I'm Panda.
Hope you enjoy the video and learn a lot of knowledge. Sometimes the character's face might look a little off, which is a common problem with all AI lip sync. But here's the fix. Use the custom prompt option. I've found that if you just add a phrase like close-up shot, high quality face, or clear facial expression, it fixes it about 90% of the time. Just describe it a bit more clearly and it'll be fine. Next, I tried a harder prompt, a scene for a kid's story. Something like, two cartoon squirrels having a picnic on a tree branch. One squirrel is offering the other an acorn. And wow, the result is amazing. You can even create a kids cartoon channel using Grok AI alone. Now let's turn the scene into a video. Click generate video right on the canvas and input the prompt. Let's share it, buddy. Oh wow, looks super professional. The audio matches the motion perfectly. The best part is that the videos come with sound, just like VEO.
Let's share it together, my good friend.
If you want a funnier vibe, switch to fun mode for effects. It instantly looks livelier and more entertaining. I've already made 3 videos and still haven't hit any limits. Now let's see if Grok AI can make 3D animation. I've got a few Pixar-style prompts, so let's test them out. I'll paste the first prompt. A 3D animated Pixar-style fluffy blue monster looking sadly at a melted ice cream cone on the sidewalk. Hit generate, and wow, that animation looks gorgeous. Next, another 3D prompt. A high-detail 3D render of a futuristic robot detective examining a clue with a magnifying glass in a neon-lit alley. See how natural the colors and details are. In a moment, I'll show you how to make a whole animated story with consistent characters using Grok AI. But first, there's a killer feature: creating realistic talking avatars. This is what people are paying hundreds of dollars for on other platforms. Let's try this simple prompt. A female scientist in a high-tech lab wearing goggles, smiling confidently. And here it is. The image looks stunning. I'll bring it into the canvas. Now watch closely. Click speech and type in the dialogue. Click generate. Wait a moment and the avatar video is ready.
Hello everyone, my name is Lisa.
Check this out. Perfect lip sync. And the voice sounds so natural. Making avatars has never been this easy. Think about what this means. You can now create an entire faceless YouTube channel for free. No more complex animation, just an image and a script. Now I'll try a male avatar to test consistency. Prompt: a male cyberpunk hacker sitting in front of a computer in a neon-lit room, serious expression. And just as expected, the quality is amazing. You can turn this image into a video instantly, and the result is equally impressive. Most videos are vertical by default, but you can easily change the aspect ratio. Just go to chat, enter the prompt, and add your preferred ratio. For example, a prompt like, a cinematic wide-angle shot of a lone astronaut standing on Mars looking at the Earth in the sky. Aspect ratio 16.9. Click generate, pick your favorite image, and make a video. Super quick and easy. Here are a few videos I've tested using Grok AI. So let's really think about what you can do with this. With Grok AI, you can create storytelling channels, use the 3D animation style, add a voiceover, ASMR channels, kids cartoons, or even faceless host channels. All of this is completely free, super easy to use, and perfect for anyone starting out with automated video creation. So now it's your turn. Go try Grok AI, it's completely free, and let me know in the comments what you create. I'm really curious to see. If you learned something valuable today, the best way to support me is to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next game-changing tool I find. Thanks for watching.